Describing my last vacations, presented by Alejandro Solano Rodriguez, Technology in a Manuscript Management File 8G 1828 3 80. Servicio Nacional de Aprendizaje. My last vacations, when did you book? I went on December 27, 2016. The rich you book. I went to the municipality of El Castillo Meta. Of did you get there? I went in a bus from the Transmeta Transport Company. What did you book with? I went with my mom. How was the weather? The weather is this place was nice. There did you stay? I stayed with my mother in my grandmother's house and my uncle. What did you like that most about that place? I liked the rivers of crystal clear and cold water. How long did you stay in that place? I spent 2 weeks on vacation in this place. What village did you visit? I visited the parks of El Retiro and La Esmeralda and the playa de and Spigit was in the Civipas Parks homes. What did you do? I did setting why my mom from the Civipas Park house to La Esmeralda Williams and did other activities. What was your favorite place with? My favorite place was the Bristol River because it reminds me of my family enjoyment when I was an 8 years old child. Did you hear any special food? Which it was special for you? I ate the churros as a special meal because this is not achieved in this rural area.